Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and I'm still living that keto life. That doesn't mean we have to sacrifice on taste and flavor, and it also doesn't mean we have to be in the kitchen all day. You know what else it means? We don't have to sacrifice the things that we love just because they're on keto, and I'm gonna show you today with an old favorite, a little bit of zucchini, how to get the best flavors that you know and that you love. So I've gone ahead and spiralized this zucchini. I'm just gonna put some salt in the zucchini because it's gonna draw out some of the moisture, because we don't want all the moisture in our sauce. Right on the stove behind me, I've got a skillet that's nice and warm. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some olive oil, and I've got some shrimp that are ready to be cooked off. Do a little salt in here, a little bit of pepper, a little pinch of red pepper flakes are gonna go in here. And I've got some baby spinach. I'm gonna put in now, just so that the moisture can sort of get drawn out and our sauce will be nice and concentrated. All right, so as soon as that spinach starts to sort of wilts down like this, we can go ahead and remove the spinach and the shrimp from the pan. You see this at the bottom? This is nothing but flavor. So let's build on that flavor. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some butter in the bottom of that pan. A couple tablespoons will do us. Let us swirl. And then I'm gonna take some heavy cream and add that to the skillet. All right, so once this comes to a boil, we can start to infuse a little bit more flavor. So I've got a little bit of chicken base that's gonna add some great flavor to there. And we'll bump this up with some garlic powder as well, huh? And I think in a sauce like this, you can never have enough black pepper, so a pinch of black pepper more. And look at this, I've got some Parmesan cheese that I'm just gonna grate in there as well. Then we'll take a little bit of arrowroot powder that we've mixed with some water, and then we'll just put that in, and that's gonna help our sauce thicken nicely. Let's cut the heat down. And then we'll go ahead and add back our shrimp and our spinach, look at that. All right, and then I'm gonna toss in some of the raw zucchini that we went ahead and sliced up. All right, here we go. We've got this amazing cream sauce with the shrimp and the garlic and the spinach. So let me fix myself a little, uh-oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I don't know where to stop and where to start. All right, now obviously, if you like to have your zucchini cooked a little bit more, you can do that. I kind of appreciate sort of the freshness of it, like just slightly warm through. That's what I like. But listen, if you like it a different way, by all means, knock yourself out. Let's put a little bit more cheese on top, because you could never have enough, right? Oh, that Parmesan cheese on there, fresh grated. It's hot. Gotta blow it. Come on. Creamy, cheesy, garlicky. It's everything you know and love. See, the thing about this is you don't have to sacrifice. Sacrifice on flavor, on taste. We're not in the kitchen all day. Ooh. Look, hold on. I gotta bite this down. Give it a shot. The recipe, you know where it'll be on my website, DariusCooks.tv. Two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking, y'all. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.